You know, you would think that a baby has a cold and we've got a vaporizer in its room. But you want to know what the babies are? These are the babies. Look at that. You want to, it's going to certainly bring tears to your eyes. Steve?
Yes?
This year's batch. This year's batch.
Oh, they were great. Fantastic.
Good quality pork?
Very great quality pork. Not a lot of fat on them. They were beautiful.
And so the source is the same?
Source is the same. We were in Mennonite country, St. Jacobs, Ontario.
Nice.
These are 4 weeks old right now.
4 weeks old. And we had the same crew on board?
Yes, all of the same crew.
Fantastic. So look at that beautiful growth on that sorpresa. And you know that we actually experienced sorpresa from the real country motherland. And you know, the argument was that nothing beats the quality that you're putting into this meat. Control, control, control. And artistry at its best. Steve, your family does it well. Like I said before, it starts from a great source, from knowing the farmer, to butchering that pig, to precision, quality, standards, and now to the curing. And how long will they stay in here, Steve, again?
They'll probably be here till about June.
June?
Yes.
We can't wait till June.
Oh, well, a few of them you can eat a little earlier. The smaller ones, probably mid-April.
Fantastic.
Some of these other ones, we're going to be frying them up in about an hour and 10 minutes.
Hey, did you say fry?
Yes, right
Let's
here.
go. Let's go.
Thank you, Frank.
Iron Chef, we are cooking up that salami. We've actually set the pan, a hot pan with white vinegar, classic white vinegar, right?
Yes. And there we have it, fried salami at the Andreetta's.